Hey guys, out there, I'm here at the Dead Downwind booth at the Shot 25 next to Matt, and guess what? You will never smell like your wife or girl is washing for you at hunting or any outdoor scene. So please tell us what you brought for us.
Yeah, so this is our brand new kit, and in it, it's the future of laundry. And that's what we say at Future. Everyone's used to using traditional big bulky things of laundry detergent or pods. Well, with this kit, it's everything that you need. So in it, we have a washing machine clean out. So you can get rid of all the scents of fragrance if your wife or someone else uses that type of laundry detergent, so you make sure that your washing machine is clean. Then we have our brand new laundry detergent sheets. So this little box here can do 60 loads of laundry, and what's great about it, it has our active odor fighting enzymes to help get rid of all human odors and bacterias and all the fragrances out of your clothing. So it comes as a perforated sheet. This is for an extra large load. You can tear one off. This is a standard load, and you can drop it into cold water and anything, and you'll see here that within 30 seconds it dissolves.
It's gone.
It's super concentrated, just like the formulas that you're used to using over there in Germany. So then now, when you're done using your washing and your load's done, we also included our dryer sheets. So these dryer sheets are wet. They have more of our enzymes that cut and eat the odors in all of your clothing. So like he said, you won't smell like your wife does your laundry, and the deer and the red deer and the hogs won't smell you either.
That's insane. And see, it's almost dissolved.
Yeah, it's gone. So
You have it on camera? It's insane.
yeah.
And soon, European market?
Yeah, soon it'll be in the European market.
US, still you're in US, right?
Yeah, so we're launching in May 1st of 2025 is when we'll be shipping in the US and then overseas to Europe.
What's your website?
It is deaddownwind.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.